Morning everyone, myself Aisha Khatun from grade 3. Today I am going to read The Pot of Milk. Once there lived a man named Kripan who was lazy and poor. He did not like to work at all, but he dreamed of being rich someday. He got his food by asking others for alms. One day a lady gave him a pot of milk. When he came home, he drank some milk. To the remaining milk, he added some curd. As he sat down to rest, he started to dream of being rich one day. He dreamed that the pot of milk would be a pot of curd the next day, when he would make butter from the pot of curd. If I milk that butter, I will get ghee. I will take the ghee to the market. I will sell it for a good price. With that money, by selling the ghee, I will buy a hen. The hen will lay many eggs. I will sell some eggs. When the remaining eggs hatch, I'll have chicks. The chicks will become hens. Soon I'll have a poultry farm of my own. Kripan continued to dream. I will sell hens and buy a cow. The cow will give me milk. There will be many cows. Everyone will buy milk from me. My dairy farm will be the biggest in the country. Then I will have a lot of money. With this money, I will buy horses too. Then I will marry some rich merchant's beautiful daughter. The dream continued. He smiled as he thought of the cute son we will have. Ha 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 ha. I will name him Deepak. I will fly kites and play marbles with him. I will play hide and seek. When I play hide and seek with my son, I will hide in a horse's stable. He said to himself. Lying down, Kripan continued to dream. As he continued to dream, he played with the stick he carried when he went to beg for food. Hiding in the stable, I will call my son's name when he come to find me. Am I see a horse about to kick my son? To save my son, I will hit the horse with the stick. Deep horse. He raised his stick and hit it in the air. Alas! He struck the pot of milk with his stick. The pot of milk broke. When milk from the broken pot fell on his face, he realized he had daydreaming on the lawn.